SolidWorks, great tool for CNC people, but how do we get the designs into SolidWorks? Sometimes building it can take too long. With a logic trace system, all I have to do is place the pattern on the tracing board, take the pen stylus, trace it out. Look at this. This is so easy and fast. Just trace it with the pen and save a DXF file. Then you can load that into SolidWorks, Rhino 3D, any graphics or CNC software. I'm tracing most of this with line arcs and a couple Bezier curve fix, but all I have to do is trace with a pen. There's no measuring. It gets the exact right scale for me, size. Just trace it out. Push the side button there by accident. There it is. I'm all done. Look at that. Look how great that outside looks. Let's do these circles. Then we'll save a file. I'm using a canvas drawing tablet and the pen stylus. It's the Logic Trace software. It's so fast and easy. There it is. Save the file.